Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? This Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today for all those that been sending me emails saying, give me a video for someone that has bad credit, horrible credit, that credit score is in the basement. So I'm gonna give you three that's pretty easy, have pre-qualifications with them. I'm gonna give you the quick data on all of them right now, so please take your notes. We're gonna talk about the Avant credit card. Now, Avant, you could do a pre-qualification on. I'm gonna let you know now with Avant, out the gate, you got bad credit, so you gotta take what you could take. You will get no cash back rewards when it comes to this card. Absolutely no cash back rewards. So all this card is gonna be good for is actually building your credit. So if you recently might have a bankruptcy, you recently just fixed your credit, got rid of all your collections, all your inquiries, and you're desperate and you want something to start building your credit, Avant will give you that chance. Now, I'm gonna let you know now, it doesn't matter if you got a 550 credit score, they will approve you. They approve almost anybody. But again, that annual fee can range from $0 to $125, which is outrageous. But again, they will report to all three credit bureaus. Now, this card is known to be going up to $3,000, which is, pretty decent, especially depending on the position that you are in with your credit report. And no matter what I say, anybody say, I always say go over to Trustpilot, and over there they got about 4.5 stars, which is really good. Let's go on to number two. Number two is the Destiny credit card. So if you have a 475, Destiny will approve you. Now, I will have to say they do have cashback rewards, which is really good. If you had a bankruptcy in the past, they will accept you. They're a pretty decent credit card that you could get if you're just trying to build your credit and you have basically maybe a collection or two sitting on your credit report. Destiny will give you a chance. Can range from $59 to $99 a year, depending on your credit score and depending on your credit profile. This is why I always tell you to start working on your credit report so you don't have to go to these kinds of credit cards. Yes, it is a MasterCard. You can use it anywhere, and you can, again, have this reporting to all three credit bureaus. And then at top of that, they will be looking at TransUnion, so please don't have a lock on your TransUnion report. Next one on the list is Aspire. Now, Aspire, you can get this card up to $1,000. They will be looking at experience, so please don't have a lock on it. Now, their annual fees, I will have to say, is between $5 and $12.50 monthly. So yes, I always tell you, try to stay away from these annual fees, but if you're asking for credit cards with absolutely bad credit, these are the three that you can look at. And again, Avant, you will get no cashback rewards, but you will with the Destiny MasterCard and Aspire MasterCard. Now, I'm gonna let you know, with the Destiny, you wanna be careful as well. They will start you off with a 24.99% interest on that card monthly. And it is even some people that said that even went up to 29.99. So you want to be careful if you do get a limit. They kind of start you off between a $300 or a $700 credit limit, but it's people that's known of getting at least up to $2,000. But again, if you got a good credit score, if you are 620 and above, I advise you do not apply for this card. So again, these are three that you can consider if you want to move forward and start building your credit profile. Let's go over to my website. So we're here on my main page. If you want to drop me a line, all you got to do is scroll down, give me a couple hours, and I'll get right back to you. If you want to book a call with me as well, you can go to the store section and let's lock in. Let me help you on the personal and the business side. If you're looking for those ebooks, those are only on my members only contact exclusively, where you could go download both ebooks for absolutely free, and I have exclusive videos over there. I have exclusive shorts. So if you want that exclusive content, you could go there and join my members only. So again, get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.